Viewers and subscribers, thank you for swinging by. Welcome to Jamaican Insider. So today we're heading back to the beautiful parish of Portland. And in this video, I'm just going to show you some activities that you can participate in at the Blue Lagoon. As you can see, rafting is available. You can raft with your friends or your loved ones. It's really a fun activity here. Of course, in the previous video, I had mentioned that you can take a boat ride to Monkey Island and Sansan Beach, but in this video I just want to highlight some other activities you can enjoy. So viewers and subscribers, according to the boat captain, the villa on the left, the white one, is owned by the Myers family, who are the owners of KFC, the operators of KFC here in Jamaica. And the one on the right that is being built is owned by Michael Lee Chin, chairman of NCB. Of course, I'm not sure if this is true, but it does make a little sense. I know Michael Lee Chin has an interest in Portland. He's definitely fond of Portland, so it would make sense for him to own property here as well. Let's just appreciate how beautiful this water is. It's no longer blue, is it? And this villa coming up on our left is said to be owned by Butch Stewart. So to see more of Portland, just click the link in the top right hand corner. That video will show you more of Portland. So alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell. Leave a like, comment and share. Thank you.